Starting around the 1st of May 2023, AMP certainly is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.13% in very most recent 60 minutes. In spite of mainstream thinking, AMP explicitly has a genuinely all-out market cap of $143,178,594 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $6,869,995, really, as opposed to prevalent thinking. This in a real sense makes AMP genuinely positioning at 179 in the digital currency market in an unpretentious way. In the event that you most certainly are a crypto financial backer and considering what basically is the AMP cost expectation end of 2023. What will AMP truly be certainly worth in 2023, which sort of is genuinely critical? Is AMP an especially wise speculation or especially worth purchasing in 2023, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking? Will AMP cost really outperform its untouched high, which certainly is very critical? These are our AMP cost expectations for AMP's future. AMP Value Forecast 2023, which truly is genuinely critical. As per the AMP Figure Cost and Specialized Examination, in 2023 the AMP cost especially is supposed to really cross a kind of normal value level of $0. The normal, for the most part least value worth of AMP toward the finish of the by and large current year ought to sort of be $0, which certainly is very huge. Besides, AMP can sort of arrive at an extremely greatest value level of $0, which most certainly is very huge. AMP Value Gauge April 2023. Concerning April 2023, AMP truly is supposed to generally arrive at a kind of least value worth of $0 a huge manner. The AMP cost could fundamentally arrive at an especially most extreme cost of $0, the really normal cost around $0, which basically is very critical. AMP Value Conjecture May 2023. The truly normal cost of AMP could basically go to $0 the finish of May 2023, which sort of is very critical. AMP could in a real sense exchange around a most extreme worth of $0, the exceptionally least expected cost of $0 a significant manner. AMP Value Expectation June 2023. The cost for AMP in June 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0, which is genuinely huge, while the typical exchanging cost ought to for the most part be around $0 in an unobtrusive manner. AMP Value Expectation July 2023. The cost for AMP in July 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0, showing how this for the most part makes AMP especially positioning at 179 in the digital money market, or so they generally thought, while the extremely normal exchanging cost ought to generally be around $0 a quite huge manner. AMP Value Gauge August 2023. For August 2023, the cost of AMP certainly is somewhat anticipated to basically arrive at a typical cost of $0. The coin could exchange between a by and large limit of $0, a kind of least of $0, which generally shows that AMP Value Estimate April 2023. Concerning April 2023, AMP truly is supposed to truly arrive at a sort of least value worth of $0 a truly significant manner. AMP Value Gauge September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of AMP truly is estimated to in a real sense be at around a sort of least worth of $0, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. The AMP value worth can really arrive at an extremely limit of $0, the typical exchanging worth of $0 USD, which in a real sense shows that on the off chance that you sort of are a crypto financial backer and considering what essentially is the AMP cost expectation end of 2023. What will AMP generally be especially worth in 2023, or so they sort of thought? AMP Value Gauge October 2023. In October 2023, the extremely greatest cost for AMP could essentially stretch around $0 in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, the minimum cost of AMP in October 2023 in a real sense is $0, a typical cost of $0 a fundamentally significant manner. AMP Value Estimate November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of AMP in a real sense is especially anticipated to fundamentally arrive at a typical cost of $0. The coin could exchange between a limit of $0 and essentially least of $0 in unpretentious manner. AMP Value Expectation December 2023. The cost of AMP essentially is somewhat anticipated to sort of reach at a truly least worth of $0 December 2023, which in a real sense is very huge. The AMP cost could sort of arrive at a kind of most extreme worth of $0, the by and large normal exchanging worth of $0 through 2023 in a genuinely enormous manner. AMP especially passed value examination in the kind of beyond 24 hours. The crypto has been for the most part diminished by 3.08% in its truly current worth, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. In the event that we look at the genuinely current market cap of the AMP with yesterday's, you can fundamentally see that the market cap sort of is likewise down in an unpretentious manner. AMP by and large is confronting in every way that really matters. Difficult time jumping aboard with genuinely other crypto coins. Sort of additional appearance how AMP Value Gauge November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of AMP in every way that really matters is basically anticipated to in a real sense arrive at an especially normal cost of $0. The coin could exchange between a for the most part limit of $0 and extremely least of $0, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. The AMP truly is down to nearly 6.01% in the essentially most recent 7 days in an unpretentious manner. The coin generally is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for especially beyond couple of days. The coin could essentially have areas of strength for fundamentally yet. We don't essentially imagine that it would a productive resource and especially transient in a genuinely significant manner. Inside the by and large most recent 1 month, the cost of AMP really diminished by 10.063%, taking out an incredible for the most part normal amount of $0 its genuinely current worth in a sort of enormous manner. This unexpected down essentially implies that the coin for the most part is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be a by and large great sort of purchase, a potential open door for in every practical sense. Fast speculation, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. The 90 days cost change explicitly is near 2.00%, and the cost in a real sense flowed from a genuinely least all things considered normal cost of $0 in every way that really matters. Greatest fundamentally normal cost of $0 the beyond 90 days in a kind of significant manner. In sort of most recent 4 months, AMP really has shown a developing pattern, demonstrating the way that the AMP cost could fundamentally arrive at a greatest cost of $0, the typical cost around $0. Subsequently, we especially believe that comparative pieces of the market explicitly were very famous at that period in a very huge manner. As per the especially the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of AMP sort of is expanded from 4 months in an unobtrusive manner. The exchanging volume comprises an imperative job in its value, sort of additional appearance how besides. The minimum cost of AMP in October 2023 by and large is $0, a sort of typical cost of $0, a kind of huge manner. The coin sort of is up by 5.03% with the especially greatest fundamentally normal cost of the coin especially was around $0. The extremely least lovely typical cost of generally was around $0 certain, beyond 4 months in a genuinely large manner. AMP Value Gauge 2023 FAQs. What will for the most part be AMP worth in 2023 in an exceptionally large manner? The AMP cost basically is estimated to really arrive at an extremely greatest degree of $0, least cost of $0 the finish of 2023, which by and large is genuinely critical. Does AMP truly have a future in a huge manner? As far as value, AMP for the most part has an extraordinary exceptionally potential to arrive at new levels in a significant manner fundamentally. It sort of is figure that AMP will increment in esteem. Pretty further appearance how assuming you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what fundamentally is the AMP cost expectation end of 2023. What will AMP for the most part be somewhat worth in 2023 incredibly? As per really unambiguous specialists and business experts, AMP can stir things up around town the most exorbitant cost of 15 cents till 2030 in an unobtrusive manner. Is AMP really worth purchasing in 2023, which in a real sense is genuinely critical? AMP's worth certainly is supposed to keep on extending.